Aurus is the newly emerged Russian brand of high-technology products in the premier sector. The name Aurus is a combination of two words, aurum, which means gold in Latin, and Rus, which is part of Russia. The interior of the Aurus business jet is divided into two parts. The business area, which is intended for negotiations and lunches, and the recreation area, where there are sofas and LCD panels. Everything can be controlled by one touch of a finger on the tablets available. The interior also has lilac-colored lighting. The fitting and the design blends in very well, giving you a very welcoming feeling when you walk in. The tables in the recreation area can go up and down to suit your sitting level when watching your favorite entertainment. Imagine dining here and watching your favorite show flying at 39,000 feet high. That's some high life, isn't it? There is a bedroom with electric blinds, as well as a shower cabin and high-speed internet. The cabin of the vessel is designed for two pilots. The aircraft control system meets the highest level of safety, and human involvement is kept to a minimum. The airline can fly without refueling for a distance of up to 7,200 kilometers. Certification of the VIP configuration of the Aurus business jet was completed in 2022. It was developed by Rostec as a business aircraft based on their Superjet 100 series. Since 2013, 11 Superjet in VIP configuration have been delivered to Russian and foreign customers, mainly government entities. The global market for aircrafts of this size and comparable characteristics is about 170 aircraft per year. Aurus business jet became the first aircraft in the Superjet family to have an additional fuel system installed. The cost of the new business jet starts from an equivalent of $50 million, and final prices depends on the options chosen by the customer and the interior configuration. The standard of travel luxury is getting higher and higher when traveling with the Aurus business jet. Hopefully, we get to fly in some soon. Thanks for tuning in, and I will be back with the next broadcast. Good day.